guys, Savage Sullivan Math here. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to look at a problem that involves negative exponents. Ooh, scary? Nah, we know how to work with negative exponents. So really, when I look at a problem like this, what stands out right away is that my bases are the same. They're both x, which means I can apply some really important exponent laws that are going to help me here. So because this is written as a fraction, and we know anything that's written as a fraction is really division, and because the bases are the same, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the quotient property of exponents. That says when I divide things that have the same base, we can subtract the exponents. So what this really simplifies to is x to the -7 minus 4. And I'm writing it that way because I want us to make sure that we're not going to lose any of the negative signs here. So what is -7 minus 4? -7 minus 4 is -11. But we know in math, we don't like to write anything with negative exponents because it just doesn't make any mathematical sense. So how do we rewrite this using positive exponents? We know that we can really just write it as 1 over x to the 11th power. And because I can't apply any other properties or laws and we're simplified, we're done. Easy.
Let me take over from there, Mrs. Savage. Nice work, by the way. Here we have another problem. 9m divided by 3m to the 2nd power. Oh man, while this looks fine and dandy, I really like to see it written as a fraction. So I'm going to change this so it looks like a fraction, because that's all division is. So 9m divided by 3m to the -2nd power. All right, that helps me a lot because as I look at this, I can see that I have kind of like bases lined up. For example, I've got my coefficient numbers here, and I also have my bases of m right here. All right, let's look at those coefficients right here. 9 divided by 3. I feel like I've seen this all the way back in 3rd grade. 9 divided by 3, we know that is the same thing as saying 3. Okay, so we have simplified that already. If we look at the bases of m, remember that even though there isn't an exponent on this m, there's an assumed exponent of 1. So just like Mrs. Savage did, we are going to apply the quotient power of exponents. So we have to do m to the 1 minus a -2 power. Minus a negative. Minus the negative is the same thing as saying plus. So we really have 3m to the 1 plus 2 power, or 3rd power. Because there's nothing else that I can simplify, and because my exponent is positive, I am done. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.